Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a Kavathu Puzhukku. Today is Thiruvathira. So we make a Thiruvathira Kali and Puzhukku. For that I have taken purple yam. This is kand, it is called, we call it Kavathu, Kachil, etc. We use 5 or 7 vegetables. Now I have taken carrot, flat beans, red pumpkin, a small piece of sweet potato, small piece of raw banana. This is fresh tur. Then you need coconut, green chili and cumin seeds for grinding to a paste to add to this curry. Or you can just cook these vegetables with turmeric and salt and slit green chili and temper it with mustard seeds and urad dal, curry leaves in coconut oil. That is one way of preparation. Second way of preparation is adding this coconut paste. Third way is just grate the coconut after cooking the vegetables and add to the curry and just add coconut oil. The 3 way we can prepare this curry, and this is very important for this Thiruvathira. Thiruvathira is the birthday of Shiva, and it is celebrated on this Dhanu Masam, and the star is Thiruvathira, that's why it is celebrated. And it's a long story behind this. I'll give the link to the of the story in the description box. The vegetables are cooked. You can add yam, colacacia, Chinese potato, etc. in this. Basically all these root vegetables are added. So in that case you can add little bit of tamarind juice. Otherwise the colacacia and yam, it will give an itching feeling. Now I want little gravy puzhukku, so I am not reducing the water in this. If you want a thick puzhukku, then you can reduce the water. The coconut paste is also ready here. I will add this to this. Bring to a boil and then we'll prepare the tadka. I have taken coconut oil. We'll put the tempering ingredients in it. Mustard seeds, urad dal. You can also add red chili in this. We'll pour this in the puzhukku. So our puzhukku is ready here to serve along with the kali. It's really a tasty dish. This goes well with rice and chapati also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.